Realme has quietly launched the C75 in Vietnam. Realme C75 is the latest member in the maker's budget C series. Realme C75 come in lightning gold and black storm night colors. It also carries an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. The Realme C75 features a large 6.72-inch IPS LCD display with full HD plus resolution and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. This is world's first smartphone powered by MediaTek's Helio G92 Max chipset. It's still a 4G only chip. With up to 24 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM, the software side is covered by Realme UI 5.0, which is based on Android 14. The C75 offers it with a 50MP main sensor. On the front, an 8MP selfie camera. Realme C76 features a 6000 mAh battery with 45W wired charging, and it can double as a portable power bank with the ability to reverse charge other devices via its USB-C port. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.